In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections in Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just getting started with website creation, mastering this skill can significantly enhance your workflow and allow you to create more dynamic and appealing web pages. We're going to walk through each step with clarity and precision, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to maneuver sections within Elementor like a pro. First, you'll want to open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page where you'd like to move sections. Click on Edit with Elementor. This action takes you to the Elementor editor, where you can visually create and modify your web page to your heart's content. The intuitive functionality that Elementor provides is second to none, offering a real-time glimpse into the changes you are making. Once inside the Elementor editor, notice how the interface is user-friendly, yet rich with options. Now, scan the page for the section you're looking to move. On the left side of this section, you will spot a blue tab with 6 dots. This blue tab is essentially your control panel for that particular section. Clicking and holding this tab will enable you to drag the section to any new position on the page effortlessly. As you drag, take note of the visual indicators that appear on the screen, guiding you where the section can be placed. It's worth taking a moment here to appreciate how Elementor's design makes these adjustments seamlessly. With your section now poised in its new location, ensure that it's aligned as you intended by keeping an eye on the guidelines and margins. These are crucial visual aids that will help you maintain a clean, professional layout. If you're inserting a section between others, the blue indicator line will appear to confirm your exact positioning before you release the click. This ensures that your sections are placed precisely where you want them, without any annoying guesswork. After relocating the section, don't forget to check for any additional adjustments that might be necessary. The shift can sometimes affect the structure and flow of your page, so it's crucial to review and tweak any neighboring sections to maintain the overall aesthetic and functionality of your site. Finally, remember to click the Update button in the lower left corner of the screen before exiting the editor to ensure all your changes are saved. Consistently updating your progress is a small action that prevents losing hours of design work. Once you've saved, take a moment to preview your changes live. This step not only boosts your confidence in the new design but also confirms that everything displays correctly across browsers and devices. By following these steps, you maintain complete control over your Elementor page layouts, allowing for creativity and precision. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to move sections in Elementor. Take these principles, try them on your own project, and observe as your confidence with web design grows.